What's up, Circuit Point community? Your Ray-Ban Meta glasses are incredible on their own, but imagine if they never died on you, could swap styles like sneakers, and felt completely custom made for your face. Well, in 2025, that's not science fiction. It's what the right accessories can deliver. Here's the thing, your Meta glasses are only half the story. The right upgrades can extend battery life, swap lenses to match any mood, boost comfort levels, and even add features Meta didn't think of. But there's a catch. The market is flooded with cheap knockoffs and useless gimmicks. I've spent weeks testing accessories to separate the game changers from the junk. Today I'm sharing the 6 essential Ray-Ban Meta accessories that will completely transform your smart glasses experience. Make sure you're subscribed to Circuit Point. We've got more smart glasses content coming that you won't want to miss. HiBlocks Infinite Charging Cable. Kicking off our list at number 6, the HiBlocks Infinite Charging Cable. The ultimate solution for power users who refuse to be limited by battery life. You know that sinking feeling when your Meta glasses flash the dreaded low battery warning right in the middle of a perfect moment. A live stream, a long flight, or when you're finally nailing that AI workflow. This cable makes sure that never happens again. What makes this special is the magnetic connection designed specifically for Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer models. It snaps on instantly with a satisfying click, holds tight even during active use, and here's the game changer. You can charge while using your glasses. No more choosing between functionality and power. The ultra lightweight, flexible design means you won't feel tethered, and the reinforced braided construction won't fray like those cheap alternatives that break after 2 weeks. Built-in voltage regulation and PTC protection keep your glasses safe from overheating and overcharging. The 1.2 meter length is perfectly calibrated, long enough to connect to a power bank in your backpack or car adapter without restricting movement, but not so long that it becomes unwieldy. Whether you're streaming content, using AI features all day, or traveling, this cable essentially gives your Ray-Ban Metas infinite battery life. For anyone who pushes their smart glasses to the limit, this is the first upgrade you should make. Smart VLT Lens Inserts. At number 5, we have Smart VLT Lens Inserts, the ultimate customization upgrade for style and protection. Ever wished your Meta glasses could instantly adapt to different lighting conditions without buying multiple pairs? These precision-cut polycarbonate lenses with UV 400 protection are your answer, blocking 100% of harmful UVA, UVB, and UVC rays. The 5-pack gives you serious versatility. Stealth black for that classic professional look, fire red for making bold statements, ice blue for bright outdoor conditions. Each lens features polarization to cut glare and enhance contrast, giving your eyes serious relief during long screen sessions or outdoor activities. What impressed me most is the anti-scratch coating that keeps these lenses looking pristine even after months of daily use. The installation process is genuinely DIY friendly. Just pop out your existing lenses and snap in the new ones. No special tools, no complicated procedures, just a quick 30-second swap. This is perfect for people who want multiple looks and functionalities from one pair of smart glasses. Instead of buying separate frames for different occasions, you can transform your Metas instantly. The quality rivals OEM lenses at a fraction of the cost, making this one of the smartest investments for Ray-Ban Meta owners. LifeArt Vision Mirrored Replacement Lenses. Coming in at number 4, LifeArt Vision Mirrored Replacement Lenses, specifically engineered for screen addicts and outdoor enthusiasts. If you spend hours in front of displays or frequently work outdoors, these lenses provide noticeable improvements in visual comfort and style. The precision-crafted high-index materials make them incredibly thin and lightweight while maintaining durability. The real magic happens with the advanced UV 480 and blue light blocking technology. For gamers, content creators, or anyone logging serious screen time, these lenses reduce eye fatigue while improving contrast and depth perception in challenging lighting conditions. I noticed the difference immediately during long editing sessions. The mirrored finish adds a premium, fashion-forward look that makes your Meta glasses stand out. It's not just aesthetic, the reflective coating also provides additional glare reduction for outdoor use. Each lens comes with anti-reflective, UV protective, and anti-scratch coatings, delivering crystal clear vision without distortion. They're specifically designed designed for the Ray-Ban Meta RW4009 Wayfarer frame, ensuring perfect fitment. Installation remains simple with the included step-by-step guide, making this accessible even for first-time lens swappers. For anyone wanting enhanced visual clarity, serious eye protection, and that premium mirrored aesthetic, these lenses deliver professional results at consumer prices. HiBlocks Magnetic Charging Station. Taking the bronze at number 3, the HiBlocks Magnetic Charging Station. For anyone who wants completely hassle-free charging. Let's be honest, fumbling with cables and trying to align your glasses perfectly in the case gets old fast. This dock eliminates all that frustration with precision magnetic alignment designed specifically for Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer and Skylar models. Just drop your glasses onto the dock, press lightly, and charging begins instantly. The magnetic connection is satisfyingly strong without being difficult to remove. What really impressed me is the charging speed. The RW4006 fully charges in just 37 minutes, RW4008 in 42 minutes, and RW4010 in 45 minutes. That's breakfast break fast. The LED indicators are simple but essential. Red while charging, green when complete. You always know your status at a glance without checking your phone. The safety features include overcharge protection, short circuit prevention, and overheating safeguards, all certified to international standards. The design is thoughtfully minimal, a compact 3.29-inch oval with matte black finish and anti-slip base that won't slide around your desk. The built-in USB-A port lets you charge your glasses case simultaneously, adding practical value. This charging station transforms a daily annoyance into a seamless experience. If you value convenience and want your Meta glasses always ready to go, this dock becomes an essential part of your daily routine. TUSCITA charging stand and cable. Our runner-up at number 2 is the TUSCITA charging stand and cable. The perfect blend of organization and functionality. For users who appreciate clean, organized spaces, this stand provides a dedicated spot for your Meta glasses while maintaining fast, safe charging. The USB Type-C connector delivers efficient 5 volts/5 watts charging with intelligent power management. What sets this apart is the upright charging position that keeps your glasses visible and accessible while powering up. The LED indicators provide clear status updates, orange for charging, green for fully charged, making it easy to grab and go when you need them. The built-in voltage regulator and PTC protection guard against power surges and overcurrent, keeping your expensive smart glasses safe during every charging cycle. The stand construction uses premium PC and ABS materials for durability while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. This isn't just functional, it's genuinely stylish. The minimalist design complements any workspace, nightstand, or desk setup. The combination of practical charging capability with organizational benefits makes this ideal for people who want their tech accessories to look as good as they function. The PVC cable is reinforced for longevity, and the stand's weight distribution prevents tipping even with active cable movement. For anyone wanting a clean, sophisticated charging solution that doubles as a display stand, the TUSCITA system delivers professional results. RC Style Accessory Kit. And taking the crown at number 1, the RC Style Accessory Kit, the ultimate all-in-one comfort and care upgrade. This isn't just an accessory, it's a complete transformation system for your Ray-Ban Meta experience. The kit includes 4 pairs of nose pads, an adjustable anti-drop lanyard, 2 non-slip glasses holders, and 6 premium Zeiss lens cleaning papers. The soft silicone nose pads provide genuine cushioning for extended wear. I'm talking all-day comfort without those annoying pressure marks. The anti-drop lanyard keeps your expensive smart glasses secured during activities like biking, hiking, or water sports where traditional glasses would be a liability. The non-slip temple holders attach to the ends and prevent slippage without affecting aesthetics or comfort. This is crucial for active users who need their glasses to stay put during movement. The Zeiss lens cleaning papers are professional grade, ensuring your camera lenses and display stay spotless for optimal performance. What impressed me most is the universal compatibility. Works with Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer M and L sizes, plus standard sunglasses and prescription frames. This versatility means the kit remains useful even if you upgrade your smart glasses in the future. The combination of comfort enhancement, security features, and maintenance tools makes this the most comprehensive upgrade available. For anyone serious about optimizing their Ray-Ban Meta experience, this kit addresses every pain point while adding practical daily benefits. And there you have it, Circuit Point family. family. The 6 game-changing Ray-Ban Meta accessories that will completely transform your smart glasses experience in 2025. From infinite battery life to custom comfort, these upgrades turn great glasses into the perfect personal tech companion. Remember, your Meta glasses are just the foundation. These accessories unlock their true potential. All purchase links are in the description below, and I've secured some exclusive deals for Circuit Point viewers. Which accessory caught your attention? Are you team infinite battery or all about that custom comfort? Drop a comment and let me know your current Meta glasses setup. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We've got more smart glasses content, accessory reviews, and tech deep dives coming that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching Circuit Point, and I'll see you in the next one.